Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play video on the channel. I'm really excited today, well, tonight, because I finally got on Minecraft Xbox One Edition. So I'm quickly going to go to sleep. And I have a new house, but I'm not going to do a house tour this video. The house was built 90% in survival. There was one bedroom, my bedroom for my friend Rainy's sister's 10. And he was kind of behind, so he said, "Can I just build it creative?" I said, "Fine, why not?" Just to make it easy on him. And so, in today's video, after I have my good nutritious breakfast, well, some people may say it's not nutritious, but I mean, oh well. What are you gonna do? Probably not the best breakfast for you, but I mean, I guess I'll have two just in case. I mean, I do have chicken. But I mean, I love chicken and all, just probably not for breakfast. Probably cookies aren't good for breakfast either, but I mean, whatever. And plus, I love cookies more than I do chicken. Anyways, so, before I get started the video, today's video, I don't know if I told you this, but I'm building a library inside my world. And so, before we do that though, I already have my dog down there at the spot. I decided to bring him down there instead of having to choose one. Said, yeah, sure, why not? Why don't I just bring one? Just save some time. And so, bringing some cooked chicken with me, for just in case. But quickly before we do that though, I am shouting out to my friend Warrior Lollipop here in like my shout out area, I guess I'll call it, because he helped me like build my channel up, and I thought it was really nice of him. Oh, sorry, hold on, let me get out of here. Alright, I thought it was really nice of him for helping me get all my equipment and stuff, you know, like helping me save up and do all this. So I just wanted to say thank you, and yeah, you're the shout out winner for today's video. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to fill the library up, but I'm gonna try and do the outside. So the outside is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're at the verge, or the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that should be even, I think. No, I don't think. I think I went one block. So I should brought a pickaxe. Oh well, whatever. So I think I went one block uneven. So yeah. By the way, sorry about the birthday video. We were in the middle of recording and the recorder stopped working. And it actually wouldn't let me. Oh, I guess it was even. Oops. Okay, hold on. Or actually, no, we'll just break these. It's gonna take too long without my pickaxe. But anyways, we were in the middle of recording the birthday special video that I said I was gonna do. And yeah, my recorder broke and wouldn't let me post it. And I just said, you know what, whatever, can it. So I'm sorry about that. So yeah. Oh well. Alright, so now we're just gonna go around. Right? So now we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. My health rebuild real quickly. Hold on. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have any helpers with me today, so I'm all on. Okay, I've been mining quite a bit. I have a mine over there. Kind of, you can't really see it past the jail we built. We'll probably destroy that eventually because he hasn't been on ever since. But I have a lot of cobblestone. Plus, there's Creeper Canyon over there. I have the same seed. So that Creeper Canyon, like you may saw my PC videos back when I was playing. creeper caves, and I got a bunch of cobblestone because I was planning on doing the library for my first Xbox video in the world. And then, so I said, you know what, we're gonna need some cobblestone. So I got some. So yeah, and then 2, 3. Okay. Oh, did I? Oh no, I think I missed a spot. There you go. There you go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably annoying. Probably, what the heck is this man doing? So it's basically alongside the library like this. We may get to the inside of this video. I'm not sure. Not that I'll just do it 2 parts. I'm not sure. It just like basically depends on whether or not I'm fairly fast. Cause I don't have any help. Warrior Lollipop was gonna join, but then he had to go like over to a friend's house. Like he had to like babysit one of his little friends or something. I can't remember what happened. So he's busy. So he will not be joining us. Oh well. But yeah. I haven't really thought of a name for this library. I guess we can call it the Luxury Creepers Library or something? I don't know. Well, I don't know. You guys put in the comment section below what you think the library should be called. So I kind of wanted to have a fancy name for it, but I couldn't think of any fancy names. I'm gonna die here. But, I don't know. Maybe the Luxury Creepers Luxurious Library. Yeah, like that. Luxury Creepers Luxurious Library. Oh dear, my hunger went down. And now I'm gonna have to savor my chicken and hopefully I don't run out of cobblestone. No, I have a cobblestone chest back at the house. If I run out, I can just grab some more cobblestone, probably grab some more food. Probably just gonna work on the outside. I may do like the entrance. Probably I'm gonna go back to the house, grab more food too. Oh, I'm probably gonna die. Yeah, I've only got half a heart left. Let me get back up and let my health get back up. So that way I don't die. You gonna go back up, buddy? Yeah, you went back up already. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Oh gosh, I got half a heart. Alright, so probably I guess I'll just kill myself just to make things easy. I can go back home. I'll grab a pickaxe. I'll get rid of this junk right here. Oh, sorry. Alright, so let me go home. I need to grab myself a pickaxe, which I should have one laying around here somewhere. This wool chest. Let's see, maybe I have one in my room's junk chest. Oh yeah, I do. Iron pickaxe. That'll work. I guess. Sorry. Or I'm not hungry now, right now, so I guess. Yeah, I guess I'll be fine for now. What the heck am I doing? Probably should take the water elevator. So used to going through here. So I've been practicing my intro. Like getting ready. What the heck are you still doing down there? Oh, you're just one of your relatives. That guy's really just probably mad that I killed his cousin or something. So I'll keep this. Or actually, no, you don't get rid of you. I already got plenty of you guys. Hold on a second. Right. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna quickly head over back to the library. And trying to think there, I probably froze. It's raw chicken. Where the heck am I going? Wrong way. But I'm gonna see if I can get back to the library without having to build up. No, I don't think I can. I'm just gonna build up. Alright, I'm just gonna break it later. Pickaxe is like almost dead, so hopefully it doesn't run out. At least I'll have extra cobblestone. Alright, so now that you're there, I won't add a door because I'm still deciding which door to use. The right way, yeah, it's for my house. That's good. But I guess I can start adding a few bookshelves. Excuse me. I guess over here, we can start doing it like kind of like all along the row, I guess, like that. They won't go up the entire way. Let me do like a glass dome or something. Yeah, when we do, and then when we finish. Alright, so I guess we'll have them on this side, and then we can do them also on this side. 1, 2, 3, like this. Oh dear, it's getting dark. Hopefully no googlies come out, or mobs, or monsters. Nothing horrible. That was weird. When I said my H, I was like, horrible. Oh dear, right out. Like I said, I had a bunch of leather. I've been killing cows. I mean, before I killed a bunch of those, it's like cow mania. And I didn't bring any planks with me to make like the front desk. So I guess we could probably end the video here. So sadly, we just have about run out of time. I guess I can say it now. I'm going to end the video. I hope you did enjoy my first video on Xbox Minecraft. And so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye!